Alright, we out here. This is the third time since the storm, and the water's been pretty messed up. I haven't had any luck down there at the dam getting on the striper. I got a couple of hits yesterday, but didn't hook up. So I'm gonna try it again today. I'm gonna try to catch some bait here, a few baits, and then head down. Water looks, it looks a little better. It's definitely way down. The water was up that far right there. So I got a small hook, put some red worms on it here, put a half a red worm on it, and see if we can get on some bait to use for crapper fishing down there at the bottom of the dam. Alright, so I got a little bobber on top there. See if there's any more white perch here. They might have moved around a little bit. Let's try right here. There you go. Got a bite right here. You let it go. Come on, go. Take it, buddy. Got him. Yep, a small white perch. Good bait size right there. Yeah, there he is. Some water in the bucket here. Finally catch a few of them. I'll go down there and try before dark. Missed them again. Must be real small. My bait might be a little too long. Take it, little buddy. There you go. Got him. Small. Look at that. Small white perch. This one's smaller than the other one. They're about the size of a good size shad. See if we can get on a couple more here and then head down. Hey, bite. Missed him. Got a small bait on there. See if it's enough for them to bite that. Probably not. Got to put another worm on there. There you go. Small one right there. So as you can see, I got a real small hook. I'm not sure what size it is. So I'm gonna put a little bit on it. Tear the rest off. Get it back out there. There you go. Got him. Just like that. Just like that. Ooh, I barely hooked this one. So that's number 3. Got him. This one running with it a little bit. Oh, a little bluegill. I wonder if it fought a little harder. Small bluegill. I'm gonna use him too. Alright, let's see. Throw. So they're about 10 foot in front of me. I'm just casting it out there with a small bobber in there. There it goes. It's already hitting. There you go. Got him. Oh yeah, this is a better size. Yeah, that's a better size right there. It's a little big. It's a little bigger white perch there. Good size. See if there's a couple more of those out there. Just casting it right there, about 10 foot in front of me. There you go, it's biting already. It's kind of tricky hooking them though. Let it take it a little bit more. Right, let's recast that. They seem to be around that one spot right there. There you go. Nope, missed them. You could probably go with a little smaller hook, but anything bigger, you'll have a hard time hooking them. Got him. Oh yeah, this one's a little bigger too. There it is. There it is. Good bait, good bait. We can catch bait. Hopefully we can get on a striper. That's the mission. There you go, hit it. Nope, missed him. Since this water is a little better out, hopefully they've turned down the turbine a little bit so the fish can come back up. Oh man. Alright, we're down here at the bottom now. Caught about 10 for bait, 9 white perch, and a bluegill. Hopefully we can get on a couple fish down here. Lately I haven't been able to hook up on one from the bank. I've been catching a lot of bait though. So hopefully today is a different day. Fish is biting. Water down here still looks pretty bad. You can see down there. Hopefully soon it will settle down. Look like there's a couple people down here. Always is. Everybody's just taking their chance. See if we can hook up on a fish. Alright, so we got a good size hook, 20-pound leader here, and a slip bobber up there. And I'm about 5 feet, and I'm gonna put a live bait on it and cast it towards the wall over here. I got a hit yesterday, but couldn't hook him. Hopefully this will do the trick. Let's see. Set it back here towards the wall here. Bobber. Right there it is. And then we're gonna leave it here and wash the rod. I'm gonna hook it up here and lock it in so I don't lose my rod. There we go. Hopefully we'll get on the fish today like this. Alright, and loosen up the drag a little bit so we can run with it. And then one I'm gonna do a bottom rig and just cast out there. See if we can get on the fish. See y'all when I get on the fish. Fish on! Not sure what it is, but I hooked him down here in the corner on the perch. Ooh man, it feels like a freaking rock. But he's fighting though. Come on, baby. He needs to go ahead and run down here. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh man, he's a fighter. Oh man, he's a fighter, bro. We got some. There you go. He's running right here now. We got catfish. No, I don't think it's a catfish because he's running up right here. Got something here. I think I got my other line too. What we got here? Yeah, I got my other line too here. He's running up. Hopefully my other line's not gonna mess me up here. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He's running right here. Damn! Let's go down here. He's running. He's right here. He's running. I think it's a striper because he's running up current right here. He's running up current. There you go. There you go. Run up current. Come on. It's big, whatever it is. Haven't seen it yet. He's running up current. He's taking drag. Taking drag, taking drag. Get down here. Current's not that bad. I haven't seen him yet. Let's see if I can get this other hook off of him. Got it off. There you go. Got the other rod off. Yeah, it's a striper. I haven't seen him. What we got here? Big striper? Come on. I haven't seen him. Oh, come on. There he is. There he is. Oh, man. He's a fighter. We gotta keep that drag. We gotta keep that drag. Oh, come on. I wish I would have hooked up on it with my other rod. There he is. What is it, catfish? Something big, catfish. No, it's a big old, yeah, big old catfish. Big old catfish. It's a big catfish, y'all. Big catfish. No wonder it's heavy. Big catfish. Look at that big old catfish. Yeah. He fight good. Fight good, he fight good. Big old catfish. Dang, he fought good. No wonder he didn't run. Big old catfish. Big ass catfish. There he is. Big old catfish. I guess I'll take him home for the fish fry. I don't usually keep a catfish, but I'm gonna keep him for the fish fry. Fillet him up. Dang, that thing. I knew it was, if it was a striper, I would have ran. I had a feeling it was a catfish. But there it is. Big old catfish. Pretty long. Heavy too. This doesn't beat my personal best at the start of the year, but still a fish. Fun. Alright, so what I did was I just got a pin line rig and a right perch right here, and I just threw it towards the wall right there. And that's where the catfish was caught. That catfish on this light tackle for big catfish, it was pretty fun. I had a feeling I wanted a striper because it didn't take off. It slowly drifted down. You gotta think that's a strong fish to be able to run up current in this current right here. See if we can get on the striper.